Hello everyone, welcome back to Insta Famous Model channel. Keep watching. Let's this video. Don't forget like, subscribe and share this video. Love you guys. Janae Girard is an American model and social media star who was born and brought up in the United States. She has gained widespread popularity there for her modeling and lifestyle-related photos. She also models and posts her photos and videos on her Instagram account on a daily basis. Janae Girard is 22 years of age. As of 2020, she was born on May 29, 1998, in the United States. She celebrates her birthday on the 29th of May of every year, and her birth sign is Gemini. Janae Girard height. Girard stands at an approximate height of 5 feet 8 inches, 1.72 meters, and also appears to be quite tall in stature in her photos. Janae Girard weight. Girard has moderate weight. Details regarding her actual height and other body measurements are currently not publicly available. We are keeping tabs and will update this information once it is out. Girard was born and raised by her parents in the United States. Our efforts to find out more about her family came to no avail as no such information is publicly available. Thus, the identity of Janae's parents is still unclear. It is also not known if she has any siblings. We will update this section once this information is available. There is no provided information regarding Janae's educational background since she has not disclosed it to the public yet. However, this information in detail is currently under review and will be updated as soon as it is available. Girard likes to keep her personal life private, hence information about her partner is not available. Therefore, it is not known whether she is currently dating, married, or has any children. Further information regarding her love life in detail is currently under review and will be updated as soon as it is available. Girard has an estimated net worth of $1 million, $5 million, approx. As of 2020. This includes her assets, money, and income. Her primary source of income is her career as a model and social media star. Through her various sources of income, Janae has been able to accumulate a good fortune, but prefers to lead a modest lifestyle. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like, comment, share and subscribe. Love you guys.